What's happening, guys? It's your boy Mothupi. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Guys, it's gonna be insane, it's gonna be amazing. We are gonna be looking at the markets. You guys know I'm very obsessed when it comes to the markets, and I really do apologize for the past few days where I haven't been posting too much content. It's because of the fact that I've been actually studying the charts. I've been putting a lot of time and effort into the charts because I noticed that I can only learn as much during the day. So it means that I need to put as much time as possible in order to get the results that I want. But that's it. But I make sure that whenever I do happen to get a time, I will be making these videos. And you guys know this video, Monday forecast, it's something that I've been consistent with for the past few years. So I told myself that no matter what, I'll make sure that I do happen to drop these. So make sure that you are liking and as well subscribe to my YouTube channel if you never want to miss out a Monday forecast video. So what's happening now is that we are going to be taking a look at the markets here. Obviously, I'm going to start off first. I've got a couple of pairs that we can look at, but I'm just going to filter them out so we can choose specific pairs. So what I'm starting here with is the dollar index, and with the dollar index right here, you can simply see that here at the daily, we have this area here being our first touches. Here you can see that it's a clear downtrend because of this lower high, the second lower high, and right now we're expecting this area to give us a lower high somewhere around here. So with that being said, obviously knowing that it's coming for a lower high, we just have to get those confirmations that will just confirm with us that price is actually ready to go down. And you can see on the on the 4 hour chart, price actually pushed upwards. It pushed upward close to here, and now it went back down. So what would happen is that it's either we can wait for it to retrace back up here, give us double tops, and then confirm by going down, or maybe price will just shoot down from here. We'll just see it as we are managing it. But just by coming here to as deep as the 1 hour, you can simply see here on the 1 hour that we've got this area here, which was previous resistance. It broke out massively, didn't touch a resistance here, came back to retest here. So from my side, I'm actually still seeing a buy maybe up until here, and once price gets here, that's when maybe we can start taking those sells. But that's just what I'm seeing on the dollar index. But yeah, let's just get over to let's start off first with GBPUSD, guys. And this one here, I'm so upset because I missed out on this opportunity, but it's okay. It's nothing major. So what happened is that we came from it being daily. We saw here we had the daily, you can see here first touches, second touch, third touches, and just by going on the 4 hour here, you can see we had this rejection here. So as soon as price got here, remember we're on the 1 hour, as soon as price got here, I was like, you know what, we're looking for for buys within this area here. And yeah, it did get here, and I went to as low as the 15 minute. That's where we looked at our entry. I looked at this candle right here. You can even go to the the Instagram reel that I actually posted today. We had this engulfing candlestick that came through here, and as soon as it came through here, I spotted this beautiful buy opportunity with the young stop loss 16 pips, 16.9 pips, which is close to 17 pips, and take profit of close to 80 pips, which is giving us a risk reward of 4.8, which is close to 5%. And yeah, just before we took the stage, something happened, and I was like, why did I have to go through this? Sometimes, some things that you can't control when they happen, they actually cost you a lot of money, because this trade would have given us so much money. But it's okay, let's not see it that way. It's just things, it's still Monday, there's a lot of opportunities. So for now, what I'm actually expecting to see here is, for price maybe to just give us a young retest, maybe retest somewhere around here, and once we get some retest, once we have confirmed and building up after that retracement, once we are building up for a solid buy opportunity, that's when I'm more likely to ride onto the second buy opportunity. So the retest can be formed in different levels, whereby it's either it can be a 50% or 61% of a Fibonacci. Let me just do this. You can see maybe somewhere around here at 50%, on which is still at this area that we're looking to buy at. So maybe if price gets somewhere around within those areas here, that's when we might place a buy. And once we get that buy, once we place that buy, that's when our stop loss will be extra calculated, which is just below here, 11 pip, and maybe our first take profit would be here, which is going to give us a bit enough, 3.9, but our overall take profit is still coming up here, which is 5.9. So even though we missed out on this first opportunity, we can still capitalize on the next opportunity. But that's actually what I'm seeing on GBPUSD. Let me know what you guys are seeing. Comment below, tell me what you are seeing on the dollar index and as well GBPUSD. So yeah, let's get over to USD. So with USD, you can simply see this is our Friday's high, Friday low here. So and coming from here at the daily time frame, you can simply see that this is just in a correct, it's a mess. It's really a mess. So yeah, all going all the way down to the 4 hour. So when I say it's a mess, I just mean in terms of it's ranging, it's moving up, down, up, down, up, down. So yeah, I've got this area, and one thing that I'm seeing here is, let me just remove this is our high. So yeah, Friday high, Friday low, right here. So one thing that I'm actually looking for here, I was actually looking to see where price is actually gonna break at, so we can confirm in terms of our next direction. But I did say it's actually a ranging market, it's not too clean. But one thing that I can expect from this is if price actually happens to just come somewhere a bit low, somewhere around here, because you can see this is a high area of, it is a high level of support. So once we get somewhere around here, that's when we would see ourselves placing some buys, looking for candlestick, obviously entries, our buys, and then maybe our take profit could be here as our first take profit, and overall we're coming here where we can secure close to a 9.2%. But that's what I'm seeing on US30. So let's just come over here at gold and take a look at gold. So with gold, similar to the same thing, you can see that we came from here being our major support area right here, boom, and price retraced also now where price is currently at. So going all the way to the 4 hour, I can see how price kept on going downwards. It went downwards, it kept on moving downwards, but in a corrective manner, whereby you can see that there's a lot of momentum to the upside that can take over as soon as price breaks above here. So we just have to be a bit more patient for that to happen. But yeah, speaking about it, you can see as soon as it hit here, it gave us that touch. As soon as it gave us that touches here, you can see price came back within structure and it's now respecting structure. So the only thing that can allow us to basically just buy or sell would be if price happens to break above here. Once price breaks above here, reaches the support, that's when I'm more likely to be taking this as a buy opportunity. So for now I'm just waiting for that. But besides that, if maybe price rejects it, because even this sell, I saw it in the morning when price kept on doing this, but I just didn't like this candlestick that followed. I like this one here because it wasn't resistant and it done this. So I was like, oh, maybe we can open up for a sell. We can get a sell somewhere around here, stop loss here, take profit being somewhere here at the third touch. But I was like, you know what, it's not worth it in terms of risk to reward. Plus as well, I'm not comfortable with this trade, this candlestick that followed here. So I wanted to see more impulsive movements, but it didn't do that, so I just stayed away from it. So yeah, even if maybe price gets here and then it gives us a resistance, yeah, that would also make sense coming here, and then maybe from here we'll take that buy. But we'll just observe what price does when it gets here, because this area here is actually a very significant area that we need to be on the lookout for. But guys, these trades, most of these trades, what I'll do is that I'll just make sure that I share some of them before I actually execute within the Telegram group. So make sure that you are in our Telegram group. And as well, guys, if you are still looking for one of the best brokers that you can trade with, I go with IQ Markets. I'm excited with them, and I haven't really had complaints with them. I love the support team, help a bit more quicker whenever I have any questions or things that I'm not understanding. But it's very rare that I go through that, and yeah, it's just something that I thought it would help you if you are looking for a broker. But if not, then it's okay. And also, it's normally advisable to be able to have multiple brokers, so you can know that you have this broker and maybe an international broker and a local broker. That way, it's nice. You're not limited. But yeah, guys, what will happen is that I'll see you in the next YouTube video. It is your boy Mothupi. I thank you so much for watching, and comment below. Tell me what it is that you're looking for the week, and I cannot wait to see all those comments that will be coming in.